As you become familiar with the app, you may want to further personalize your menu by adding or deleting a food or recipe. To delete, simply click the pencil icon. Select Remove, then click Continue to confirm, and the item will be deleted. You will see the nutrient information update in the graphs as you complete this task. To add to your My Menu, click plus Add Item on the Preferred Meal Bar tab. Type your new food in the search box. For example, enter chicken, and the database of recipes and foods will populate. To narrow your search, check Recipes or Foods. Scroll through the chicken recipe options and click on your selection. Let's add chicken and vegetable penne pasta. If you would like to view your selection before you add it to your My Menu, use the Show Recipe button. To see this recipe in more detail, click on the source link. Then close the tab to return to the recipe card and click the X to close it. Next, adjust the number of servings you plan to eat. Finalize your choice by clicking Add Item. If adding the food or recipe exceeds your daily caloric target, the meal warning box will open. You now have the option to rebalance the day's serving sizes to meet your caloric target. Or, if you plan to make multiple edits for one day, you can wait to rebalance until you have completed all the modifications. Then use the Rebalance Day with My Changes button. Let's go ahead and check the box to rebalance now. You will see the added item listed under the meal tab you chose. The serving amounts have been rebalanced to hit your caloric target, and the nutrient information has been updated. Your shopping list will also update with the new addition. Simply click the refresh button when you return to the shopping page to reflect the changes.